Hello everyone, Kathy Lee back here to share another project that I did for the Craftology box for September using the Authentique Twilight collection. Um, this basically this collection had a lot of glass teen bags, so I just thought it would be really cute just to use these as like little um, bags with treats in them that I can hand out during Halloween. So what I did is I just took some cardstock, some artisan cardstock, and then I used my Martha Stewart punch. And then I just taped it to the bag after I put the goodies inside. And then I had some extra ribbon from my stash and some of these little, I think they're button galore buttons, but I just snipped off the little hooks on the back and put them on with some hot glue. So this one has a little trick or treat bag. It's just a cutie, and it goes in a little potion bottle. And I have one here, and then the papers are from the collection, so I use the papers for my um, for the background. And then this is some cute little satin ribbon with uh, some more spider webs. Got some candy and a little frog. And this one, little cauldron with a um, witch's shoe and a pumpkin. And this one's got a little witch on it. She's ugly in sin. And candy corn and this cute little book of spells um, button. And then the last one has a moon and a little black kitty cat and a witch's broom. So those are just a few more of the projects that I made with the Craftology box. Next up will be my mini album that I made.